Okay, this is just a little help guide for doing the maintenance. On the new Rolands now, the maintenance it'll prompt you when to do the maintenance, but being a bit old school, I'd probably do it once a week, whether it's prompted you or not, just to keep on top of things. So this model's a VG4. Most of the Rolands are very similar to what I'm doing now. The menus are very similar, and the parts that you're cleaning are also very similar, even if it's UV or solvent. So what you need to do is go to cleaning, and then manual cleaning, and then just execute. It obviously warns you to wear gloves and eyewear. It's a bit tricky to wear gloves and do the camera and the clean at the same time, so I'll bypass that, but wash my hands later. The carriage is then moving over to the maintenance end on the far left. And there is actually, I mean, Roland's manuals are really good as well, little help guides and QR codes, but it does actually give you a little like cartoon effect of how to do the maintenance, but I'll just show you physically. So you can start at either end really. The first bit is to clean round the rubber seal of the cap. And this is just to stop any build-up of solvent and it drying out. And this is really important because this is what gives you a tight, airtight seal on the printhead. So you can be quite liberal, you don't have to be too cautious there. Then you've got the wiper, which is a bit tricky to see because it's black, but then clean the wiper in there. The wiper will also get cleaned from the cleaning cartridge, which is the cartridge at the side. But again, I will just give it a manual clean as well. And then the surge mist filter will be prompted when to change it. Obviously, a lot of parts now are designed for two heads as well. So what you probably can do is when it warns you about changing this, you can spin it around and then use this area. And then you've got the wiper pad down here. It's a bit tricky to do. That clips back, and then this just obviously after the wiper's had a little bit of cleaning fluid on it, this obviously just takes up the excess. So these consumable parts do last a long time, but it is recommended to change them when it prompts you. So that's that first side done. Then I always pop that up. Move to the left hand side, and obviously on this model we've just got one printhead, so I'm just cleaning round the frame of the printhead. Ideally don't touch the surface of the printhead. Make sure all that's nice and clean. In here you can see obviously the contour cut, so you can get to your contour cut blade there, and then your sheet cut blade is on the right hand side. Little area for your cleaning stuff. And then you also, with all the new models now, you get this little script sheet where you scan the QR codes, and again it takes you to the page in the manual. So Roland, really good on helpful videos and guides, but there's just a quick snippet of how to do the weekly maintenance.